Now let's demonstrate the chain stitch. Here, we are using 2 strands of floss, color number 8. You can stitch from bottom to top or top to bottom. I'll start stitching from bottom to top. For the first stitch, bring the needle through. After bringing the needle through, insert the needle back at the same point where it came out. Then move up 1 stitch length. Bring the needle through again and hold the loop with your left hand. Pass the needle through the loop and pull the floss. This forms a chain-like shape. When inserting the needle, insert it again at the same point where the needle came out. Keep the spacing between each stitch consistent. With consistent spacing, the chain will look beautiful. The exit and entry points for the needle should always be the same. Pass the needle through the loop. For the final stitch, insert the needle back at the same point. Now the chain stitch is complete. Now we're using 5 strands of floss, color number 4. Each stitch will be demonstrated at least twice. Watch my steps closely. Move forward and take 1 stitch. Pass the loop through. After passing it through, pull the needle. This forms a small loop. Then insert the needle again. At the end, insert the needle back at the same point. The effect of using 2 strands to 6 strands looks like this.